Today's featured SUV of the day is a 1978 Jeep Wagoneer SJ Cherokee Chief. And this one was at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it sold for $22,000. And I would read from the owner's comments, but unfortunately there weren't any. So I don't know what the mileage was or anything. But it was definitely a good looker. Looks like it had a nice candy gold paint job on it. And some black wheels and kind of a two-tone black and gold combination, which looked real good. And as far as the Cherokee Chiefs go, from the research I've done, I guess they were only made in 2 years, 77 and 78. And I may be wrong on that, but looks like they sold 40,698 of the SJ Cherokee, which includes the two-door Cherokee Chief and the other Wagoneers. And the Cherokee Chief was a two-door version on a 109-inch wheelbase, which, like I said, was introduced in 77 and went into 78. But anyway, that's today's featured SUV of the day, a 1978 Jeep SJ Wagoneer Cherokee Chief that sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $22,000. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.